next few minutes, we'll show you how to use the Financial Reporter in Sage 300. The Financial Reporter is a reporting tool that we can use to create reports such as income statements, balance sheets, trial balances, and cash flows. You can use the Financial Reporter to create financial statements and statement specifications in Microsoft Excel that display data from Sage 300's General Ledger. This information is taken from your Sage 300 database and pulled into Excel. All Sage 300 financial statements are generated in Microsoft Excel as a spreadsheet file. These spreadsheet files contain functions required to read Sage 300's General Ledger data. Please note, the statement add-in is available only when you start Excel from the Statement Designer in Sage 300. The Financial Reporter screen includes two options for working with financial statements. Select Print Financial Statements to print pre-designed financial statements, and select Statement Designer to create new statements. In this video, we'll generate sample financial statements using the pre-designed financial statements included with Sage 300. Please note, the sample statements are designed for Sage 300 sample data and to retrieve data using standard account groups. To use the statements with your own data, you must either assign the same standard account groups to your accounts or customize the sample statements to match the account groups that you've set up for your company. If customizing one of the sample statements, make sure to create a copy of the existing report and save it with a new file name. Let's look at some of the sample statements that are included with Sage 300 and see what the Financial Reporter is capable of creating. Under Fiscal Option, select the year and period for which to create the statement. Under Report Type, we can select to print an actual or provisional report. Provisional reports will include provisionally posted transactions, while actual reports will exclude those balances. Reports can be printed as a consolidated report for all accounts or as separate reports for different account segments. Report options can be included when the report is generated. A summary report of the selection options will be created on the report and will include the statement name, fiscal year and period, report type actual or provisional, account processing and sorting order, and account selection ranges. Drill down information will include drill down functionality on the financial statement. Drill down information allows drilling down to transaction details for line items on a financial statement. Use the sort by option to choose how accounts are sorted in the financial report. We can choose to enter a range of account number, segment, or account groups to be included in the financial statement. If we select Segment, select the segment from the list that appears. We can use the From and To fields to specify a range of account numbers to include, or leave it at default to include all the segments. The Select Account Groups by Sort Code Range option allows us to restrict accounts included on a financial statement, and choose the Print Destination option to select how the report will generate. There are many pre-created Excel files for us to select from. Each of those Excel files are different financial statements with different formats. Balance sheet reports can be generated. The sample summaries include a regular size balance sheet that summarizes the company's assets, liabilities, and equities at a specific point in time. A common size balance sheet, which includes a regular size balance sheet and separate reports listing asset line items as a percentage of total assets and liability line items as a percentage of total liabilities. Common size balance sheets that also include graphical summaries, statements for specified periods, comparisons of current and prior year amounts, and a comparison of current year and budget amounts. View this list of balance sheet reports for more information about each of the sample balance sheet reports that are available. Income statements can also be generated using the Financial Reporter. Sample statements include a regular sized income statement that summarizes the company's profit or loss for a specified period. A common size income statement, which includes the regular size income statement and separate reports listing the line items as a percentage of sales revenue. Common size income statements that also include graphical summaries, statements for specified periods, comparison of current and prior year amounts, and comparisons of the current year and budget amounts. View this list of sample income statements for more information about each of the income statement reports that are available. Financial analysis statements display financial ratios used by financial managers to evaluate a company's performance. For some of the following statements, you must enter financial ratios for a benchmark company, an average company in your industry, on the benchmarks worksheet. Sample financial analysis statements include a summary of the financial ratios for the current period grouped into the following categories: profitability, asset utilization, liquidity, debt utilization, and growth. A graph comparing the company's financial ratios to the benchmark. And last, financial forecasts assess our current operating performance and project how your business will perform in the future. Congratulations! You now know how to use a financial reporter in Sage 300.